Hey everyone, welcome to Cypher. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the iOS 14 beta profile without a developer license. So as you all know, Apple released their developer beta, but they're not releasing the public beta yet. So for people who want to just see it before or you can't wait, this is the method you can use. So I have included a link in the description for the profile. So what you want to do is go to obviously you're seeing my YouTube video right now. So you want to go to the description and open that link in Safari. So since I just have this in my notes, I'm going to open it in Safari, and you're going to get this iOS 14 beta mobile config. So this is the one. If this ever shows too many people downloaded this, just comment down below and I will fix the link. So now you need to download it, and it will say this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? So press allow, and now you need to go to settings and profile downloaded and press install. Now you need to enter your password and hit done, and it will show this, and press install. And now you have your profile installed. So this is actually the profile. So now to see if it worked, you need to go to software update, and here, boom, you have iOS 14 developer beta. So now I'm going to go ahead and install it to actually show that it works. So now the update is requested, and I'll see you back when the update is done.
2,000 years later.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So I've now installed the iOS 14 update, and you can see that I've already customized it, and these are like the widgets in iOS 14 that you can add, which is pretty cool. And if I go all the way back, so what you do is go to the last section and go like this, swipe from the right, then you can basically search and you can see all the apps, which I think is really cool. And I think it's just very nice. They've kind of made it a little bit like Android, and so just to prove that it's actually iOS 14, you can see software version 14.0. So thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned because I will be posting another video about the features of iOS 14. So if you really like this video, smash that subscribe button and like. If you need any help, don't hesitate to comment below.